Hi and welcome to this video about the new Outlook. The new Outlook is out since couple of months and you can activate it by toggling this button in your old Outlook. So if you click on it, you will have the new Outlook. And this is what you see on my screen is the new Outlook. I just opened the new message. Let's start with why Microsoft released the new Outlook. Microsoft wanted you to have everything at one place. Like you see, we have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, all inside Outlook. And you have your calendar, you have everything inside Outlook. But on the other hand, it's really very limited and it's not as flexible as the old Outlook. So you can't create templates, you can't work with HTML tables as in old Outlook. And when they released Outlook, I thought, like many others, that it's going to replace the Mail app in Windows, the standard Mail app. I mean this one. But in reality, it's replacing both the Outlook in 365 and the Mail app. And you will have this button inside the 365 Outlook app and you will have it inside the Mail app. So it's going to replace both. And for people with business accounts, it's going to be really difficult because they can't create nice invitations, nice communications. It's really very limited. And I will show you in this mail what we lost in the new Outlook. So for example, already when I wanted to insert, I had like the menu was full with different items. They reduced it to just a couple of things: attachment, link, signature, picture, emoji, and table. And my templates, which is not going to do anything, you can just create an answer template, so to say. You can just create template, give it a title, and then write some text here as an answer. It's not gonna be like as you might think a place where you design your templates to answer or to use them. So it's just gonna be a text. And if we insert a table, you can see, let me just insert one. I inserted a table. Now we have a table button or a table tab at the top, but it doesn't offer much options as the old Outlook. So I can just insert on the right, insert on the left, below, above, but I can't edit the borders or style my borders as in the old Outlook. So as you can see, if I want to style the borders, I can just choose these styles. So plain table or this table, or this is the only way to style my table. And we can change the cell or the column or the row background using shading. We can change just this one, but it's really a nightmare. I can't even edit the properties of the table. So if I'm gonna click on it and try to center the table, I can't. If I want to, yeah, so it's just 4 options. And if we click the right mouse click, it's not gonna offer us much. As you can see, I'm trying to center the table. I can't. It's just centering the content inside the table. So this is about tables. Now let's talk about inserting an image. Let's try to insert an image. Let's go to downloads and find some image. Now we have an image. We can resize the image. Yeah, now we have the picture format like the old Outlook, but we have just really few options to use. So we can crop the image, but there is no aspect ratio or crop to shape option. So it's just a crop, and that's it. We can control the size. And we can add some styles like some shadow or add border and nothing more. We can rotate, but as I said, it's really very limited. Now let's talk about if I want to use the old functionality of Outlook and use nice design templates. So how can I do it? There is a way to do it because at the end it's just an HTML message. If we go to the message, you see it's still an HTML format, so we can use an HTML template. But how we are going to create it if the functionality is not available in Outlook? As you may know, the old Outlook was very similar to Word. So you need to go to Word program and create your template in Word, as we did in the past in Outlook, and then do copy paste in Outlook. So you just need to go to the home, create, for example, a Word document. Sorry, it created the document in the browser, which was wrong. I'm gonna create just a normal Word file, and inside this Word file you need to create a web layout and then insert a table and design it like in the past as an HTML newsletter template, and at the end you can do just copy paste in Outlook. Let me show you some old example. This is a template that I created in, I think, my last video about Outlook. I'm just gonna select all and copy, and then go to new email and do paste in the new email. As you see, it worked, but the template is not centered, so I need to go to the side of the template. As you saw, it took some time to find the right edge of the table, the outer one. So I made it bigger, and after dragging it and resizing the table, now it's centered as I designed it in the old one, and now you can use it. This is the easiest way. As I mentioned, you can use Word, design your template in Word, and then select all from Word, copy and paste in Outlook. There is still a problem. If your template in Word is too big, it might not work as expected in Outlook, because I tested it already and I found out that big templates with a lot of images are not gonna work in Outlook, are not gonna work as copy paste as I showed you previously. So you need to make them as small, or you need to keep them small in order to work in Outlook. This was a way. There is another way to use Outlook, to use OFT or old Outlook templates. In this program, you can ask someone who has the old Outlook to send you the mail, and then to send you the mail or the template, and then you can use this mail or this template in your own Outlook. You will get it as a message, then you can forward it, distribute it the way you like. I think that was all for this video. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.